Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus Nord EC2 Lite, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on that device. So let's just first open this notification panel, and now just here we can see all the available icons. If you want to remove some icons from here or just to add some icons or just to change their positions, you should click here on this edit icon. Here you can see our visible icons, and this down section were the invisible icons. So for example, now just to add some icons from this down section, hold the icon and drag it here to this up section, for example to the new one. By the same way we can add here more icons, we can just edit here, so to this first screen. So if you want to remove some icons from the notification panel, just hold it and drag it here to this down section. As you can see, that's so simple to do. And just to change the positions of icons, just hold it and drag it by this way. So to save the changes, just click to go back, and that's it. So you can see that's so simple to do. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.